Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum coin. Today I want to discuss with you about this descending triangle that the Ethereum has formed on the daily time frame, and after getting bounced by this support, the price action is moving towards the upside to make another attempt to break out this resistance of the triangle. And I want to share with you that how much bullish the Ethereum can be after breaking out this resistance of the descending triangle. And before moving to this descending triangle, I want to share with you my previous analysis, and this was my previous idea that I shared on 22 of Feb. Basically, this idea I shared at the Patreon for my members, and then I also shared with you in the form of video as well that the price action of Ethereum can move more down to complete the final leg of the bullish cipher. And this was the pattern that I shared. Now let me show you this chart. And this is the chart that I shared for my members at the Patreon. And by the way, if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description, because I'm sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis there. Okay, this was the chart. The price action was completing the final leg of the bullish cipher, and I told my members that the price action can move more down up to 10%, approximately 10 to 11% for the completion of this final leg. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that it moved down approximately 10% more down and completed this final leg and started a very big rally towards the upside. That was more than 173% against the Bitcoin, and against the US dollar, that was really very huge and big rally. Now, when the price action moved here, at the same time, it also moved at the support of a broadening formation as well that I shared on 30th of March, because on 30th of March, this move was completed. And let me show you that move as well that I shared on 30th of March at the Patreon, that the price action has moved at the support of a very big and huge broadening formation on the weekly time frame chart. Let me show you that chart as well. And I'm just going to that chart. And this is the Ethereum's chart that I shared on 30th of March. And I'm just going to play this chart as well to show you how this idea executed. And you can see at that time, the price action was at the support of this broadening formation. After getting rejected by this resistance, moved down here, completed the cipher move, and also reached at the support of this broadening formation. It was also having very nice support of the 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. And my target was it was moving at 0.03 BTC, and my target was 0.05 BTC. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that it rallied very well, even moved beyond the sell targets I've defined. Now recently I've shared another idea, the Ethereum with Bitcoin pair, on 15th of July, when the price action, all the market was moving down, very bearish, and the price action of Ethereum was completing the final leg of another bullish harmonic cipher pattern. Let me show you that chart as well that Ethereum has recently completed. And this was another bullish harmonic cipher move. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, our buying zone was 0.0605 to 0.058 BTC, and the sell targets were 0.0623 to 0.066 BTC. Now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price action reversed bullish, even moved at the end of this buying zone, reverse bullish. So far it is entered in the sell zone, and so far it has rallied more than 7%, and I'm expecting that it will be rallied more, because at the same time the price action is also getting bounced by this support of this descending triangle. Now first, before moving to this descending triangle, I would like to show you the different support and resistance levels. These are the major support and resistance levels on the weekly time frame chart. We can see that we have a very, very important support zone that starts from $1,500 to $1,300. That can be a very key level support zone. Then we have another very important support at $1,700. We can see that previously it has been working as a very, very strong support several times. And then we have the support at, sorry, this is the resistance. This time it is working as a resistance, and previously it has been working as a support. And then the next resistance will be at $2,000. and we can see previously it has been working as a very strong resistance on the weekly time frame chart. And then we will have at $2,400, it has been working as a resistance here, and sometimes it has been working as a resistance here as well. And then we will have the next resistance at $2,900. You can see recently it has been working as a resistance here, and then we have the final resistance at $4,000. Now let's move to this descending triangle, and we can see that the price action has recently bounced by the support of the descending triangle. And if I place the volume profile to show you the traders' interest within this triangle, that up to what level the traders are willing to trade, are interesting to trade, and from here to here I've placed this volume profile, and then we can see to the downside we have traders interest up to this level, and to the upside we have the traders interest up to this level. So, and this is the point of control of the volume profile, this red line. So we can see that whenever the price action is moving in this area where we have very weak interest of the traders, the price action is moving towards the upside to enter in the area where the traders are interested to trade. And to the upside, we have very weak interest of the traders at this level here. Therefore, when the price action was moving there, it was rejected and moved towards the downside. However, this is the volume profile's point of control. It is very much possible that the price action will follow this point of control. And while following this point of control, the price action needs to break out the resistance of this descending triangle. Now, if the price line will break out the resistance of this descending triangle, in that situation, our target can be, for example, if we will have the breakout from here, then our next target can be approximately $3,300. And if the price action will reach up to $3,300, it means that it will easily cross up all these resistance levels. That is, it is already above $2,000 now. And then it can break out $2,400 and $2,900 as well. And you can see that from $2,900 to $4,000 on this weekly time frame chart, on the long term, we don't have any significant resistance. Therefore, if the price action will be reached at $3,300, then imminently it can also move up to $4,000 as well to make another attempt to break out this final resistance at $4,000. Therefore, guys, it is very important when the price line will break out this resistance of this descending triangle with powerful buying volume, because the volume will confirm whether this will be a breakout or fake out. So depending on the volume, if we will be able to confirm this final breakout, then definitely this can be a very, very huge profit potential trade, because I'm expecting after breaking out from here, the price action can easily move up to $4,000 to make another attempt to break it out. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I've also shared the link in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.